Hey, this is Paul with Grassfire Marketing. I just wanted to show you how to get into a GoDaddy domain and add a different person to access it. So say you have hired a website designer, or you've hired a marketing agency such as ourselves at Grassfire Digital Marketing to help you with your website, and you've already purchased a domain through GoDaddy and you need to give them access. So we're going to go through this, how this process works and how you need to give access to them. So you go to your GoDaddy sign on page and you sign in. We'll go ahead and sign in. This is going to come into my account, and you're going to see that it takes you to your page. It takes you to your domains. I'm going to go into this domain here, and once you're into the domains area, click on sort of this domain dashboard over here on the side, and you're going to come to domain settings, and then you're going to go into settings and delegate access. So click on delegate access, and you're going to see that there's some people I have already in here. So you're going to hit invite to access. You're going to put in the name of the person. You're going to put in the email, and then you are going to select which access level that you want them to have. So if you're wanting them to be able to access full access to your site, this is a great area that you can add them on. They will be able to purchase things. They will be able to select different products. They won't have any access to your payment information, but that's pretty much full access. You could also do products and domains, so they can manage the products and domains that you have. So they say they are helping you with your Microsoft 365 email or something like that. That would be something that you would add them to. Or you can add them just to domains only, and then you click domains only. I'm going to hit invite, and then it's going to send an access level as pending, and they're going to get an email about that. So that's a real quick way so you can see, how do I add someone to access your domain? How do I add them to, you can also modify their access level as well, but this is how you can give them access to your domain so that they can do the work that they need to do. If you have any further questions, reach out to me. You can reach us at Grassfire Digital Marketing. We are at grassfiremarketing.com, or you can reach me at my phone number, 479-326-7899. Love to help you. Thanks.